Hey, you are most welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be reviewing an MTN broadband MiFi. So as you're seeing, this is basically a MiFi that comes from MTN, and as you see, it comes in a box that is well shaped, squared shaped, and this is going to be the unboxing and reviewing of the MTN broadband MiFi. So its official name actually it is MF927ULTE UFI, and actually comes from ZTE. That's basically a China company, as you can see. And the broadband is just a version of what MTN tries to call it, but this is its real official name. So let's get over to the features. As you can see on the box, it says LTE Cat 4 high speed download. Basically it's a category 4 high speed. And what does that mean? It basically tells us that actually it has up to 50 Mbps upload and around 150 Mbps download link speeds. Then it has a working time up to 8 hours. That's basically if you fully charged it. Then it can connect up to 32 Wi-Fi devices, but I wouldn't recommend this. Why? Because this can drain your battery. So the best to do is actually to connect it to around 15 devices, approximately 15 to 20 devices, because the heat that it exposes will be also something to consider. So I'm basically now unboxing it to see what is inside. As you can see, the welcome package that comes through here, it's actually the squared version of the MiFi. As you can see, it has a compact and sleek design kind of. And let's get it off and we'll see what is in here. Yes, it shows actually a 4G, but it can also support 3G. So it has 3G, 4G, and long-term evolution, that's actually 4G plus. And behind it's the device information, the serial numbers and the like. As I said, it's a ZTE company that's actually manufacturing this, and you can see the default password here is admin. This is the website to connect to. So on this side, as you can see, we have a USB micro slot, the standard USB. As you tilt it this side, you see it has a reset light. It tells you what exactly is happening if it has been reset. And this is actually a micro SIM card, I think. Yes, this is a SIM card slot. And as you can see on top, it has the battery notification, the WPS, the message, and the signal strength. And it's actually branded MTN. On this side, the topmost side, as you can see, it has a power button for switching it on, and then a WPS, that's a Wi-Fi protected setup push button if you want to switch on the Wi-Fi. And probably this is having a non-removable battery, that's why you cannot see any other thing. Actually, it's just basically intact and you can't actually remove the battery. So let's see what else is in the box. As you can see, there's a free SIM card. Yes, so probably to use this you have to register first. You have to register this line, and it's a 128K actually line, and actually even cut through all the micro and the mini versions of the card. So let's see what else is in the box. It has a charger adapter. It is a UK-CA, basically it's a travel charger kind of, with a USB port. And yes, that's it. Let's open further the box. Yeah, there is a USB. The USB for charging. And yeah, that's it. There's also actually an instruction manual. This is a pin. Basically, this is a cool pin. It's kind of cool. Let's first see it. For removing the slot for SIM card, you could use this, and also has an instruction manual. basically telling you what is about the device and how to go about it to use it. Yeah, that's it basically, and I will be taking you through the different interface on the dashboard. That is basically connecting it and putting it on and getting started to your devices. As you can see, these are the things that come through in the box, and you'll have to actually do a registration of this card. I don't know if actually it has 3 gigabytes, like 3 MBs in other words, this card, because this is not on promo, unlike the Pocket WakaNet that actually is being released on promo. Yes, that's it for this video. If you like to see what is next, and that is, you will have to subscribe to my channel, like the content, hit that notification bell. I want to see the bells ringing whenever you receive a new video from me. And thank you so much. Yes, my name is Ronnie Atwaire, and this is the face behind. See you. Stay blessed.